Hello friends, last lecture up to 5 over. So let's start with the question number 6 and 7. Solve the differential equation dy by dx plus under root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square and equal to 0. You have 3 methods. अब मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि this is the sum about 9.4, 9.5, 9.6. 9.4 means separate the dy and dx and then take integration. 9.5 y by x and x by y and 9.6 linear equation. So definitely this is not linear. So not 9 by 6 method. And definitely here y by x not possible because अगर आप x डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पर 1 upon x हो जाएगा, y डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पर 1 upon y हो जाएगा. Single x and single y are not possible. तो taking this term other side like dy by dx equal to minus under root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So dy by dx minus under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square. Now dy side y and dx other side. dy and dx separate. 9.4 method. Okay. So 1 upon under root 1 minus y square dy equal to minus dx other side. So 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx. dy and dx separate, so taking integration both the sides. Taking integration both the sides. So integration 1 upon under root 1 minus y square dy equal to minus integration 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Now both are formula. 1 upon under root a square minus x square, 1 upon under root a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a. So here sin inverse y by 1, here sin inverse x by 1 and plus c. Okay. So here sin inverse y by 1 means y equal to minus sin inverse x and plus c. Alright, the answer is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y and equal to c. Alright, ready? So this is your sum number 6. Next, taking the 7. So that the general solution of the differential equation is x plus y plus 1 equal to a into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy. चलो x अभी हमने जो नंबर 5 किया था, 5 में क्या था क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 नहीं 4 में क्या था क्वेश्चन 4 में. आप कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. हमने ये वाले इक्वेशन से स्टार्ट किया था. a इज एन आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट, तो डेरिवेशन मेथड. तो अभी हम यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, dy dx एंड ये इंप्रूव करेंगे. मैं आपको पता है, मैंने आपको बोला था क्वेश्चन 4 में भी कि आप dy by dx से स्टार्ट करो तो इंटीग्रेशन मेथड, एंड ये वाली इक्वेशन से स्टार्ट करो तो डेरिवेशन मेथड. बराबर, कोई भी स्टार्ट करो, प्रूव करो, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो dy by dx प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस y प्लस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. चलो दो. First same like this, taking other side and then cross, and same this method. Okay, dy by dx equal to minus y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. Now both the brackets separate. dy side y to 1 upon and dx other side. Same like this. Okay. Now the 1 upon y square plus y plus 1 dy equal to minus dx other side. So 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Taking integration both the sides. So, integration 1 upon y square plus y plus 1 dy equal to minus integration 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay? So, what is the method? 1 upon an equation, so definitely perfect square method. Okay. So, integration 1 upon y square plus y. तो लास्ट टर्म क्या होगा आपका 1/4 टू कन्वर्ट इनटू परफेक्ट स्क्वायर प्लस 1/4 माइनस 1/4 एंड प्लस 1 एज इट इज dy equal to minus integration 1 upon x square plus x. Same here, plus 1/4 minus 1/4 and plus 1 as it is and dx. 1 upon y plus 1/2 whole square. Y plus 1/2 whole square. Here 4 LCM. So 4 minus 1 3/4 plus 3/4 dy. Same here 1 upon x plus 1/2 whole square and same calculation 3/4 dx. चलो अभी हम इंटीग्रेशन में क्या करते थे कि दिस y plus 1/2 इक्वल टू t, तो t स्क्वायर प्लस 3/4 x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला and t by a tan inverse t by a 1 by a tan inverse t by a. t means y plus 1/2, here t means x plus 1/2. रफ में कर लो आप, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके चलो, तो यहां पर आंसर क्या होगा आपका 1 by a. तो 1 by a means √3/2, 2 upside tan inverse this bracket y plus 1/2 by √3/2. Equal to minus, same here 1 by a √3 and 2 upside tan inverse bracket x plus 1/2 upon √3/2 and plus c. Okay, चलो ये 2 LCM and cut. टू बाई √3 tan inverse 2y plus 1 by √3 equal to minus 2 by √3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by √3 and plus c. Okay, now taking this term other side, two by √3 tan inverse 2y plus 1 by √3 plus 2 by root 3 tan inverse, taking the other side to positive, two x plus 1 by root 3 and equal to c. Now 2 by root 3 common and other side multiply. So tan inverse two y plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 equal to 2 by root 3 common तो root 3c by 2. पर अभी भी जो हमें आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है, ये हमारा आंसर ये होना चाहिए, कहीं पर भी टेन इनवर्स नहीं है, तो क्या करें? तो याद करो चैप्टर नंबर 2, टेन इनवर्स प्लस टेन इनवर्स फॉर्मूला. ओके, चलो टेन इनवर्स प्लस टेन इनवर्स फॉर्मूला. टेन इनवर्स x प्लस वाई अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स वाई. x plus y 2y plus 1 by root 3 plus 2x plus 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus xy. x into y. ओके, चलो तो टू वाई प्लस 1 by root 3, here 2x plus 1 by root 3 bracket over and equal to root 3c by 2. Now taking tan inverse other side and here LCM. बराबर, हां तो root 3 LCM definitely, तो 2y plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 by root 3 whole divide. Now here these two product, so root 3 into root 3 3 and 3 multiply with 1, so here 3 minus these two brackets product and whole divide 3. So here 3 minus and bracket and whole divide 3. बराबर, चलो ब्रैकेट क्या होगा, माइनस तो हमने कॉमन ले लिया है. बराबर, टू टू जा 4xy, तो यार 4xy प्लस 2y प्लस 2x n plus 1 equal to 10 ब्रैकेट रूट 3c by 2. चलो अभी मैं आपको एक बात बता देता हूं कि आपको करना क्या है, आपको ये आंसर प्रूव करना है. x प्लस वाई प्लस 1 इक्वल टू a इंटू ब्रैकेट. बराबर, टू वाई प्लस 1 प्लस 2x प्लस 1, इट मीन 2x प्लस 2 है. काम करो, मैं यहां पर कर दूंगा क्योंकि कुछ ट्विस्टेड हो सकता है. बराबर, हेलो नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, रूट 3 and here 3, so one time root 3 cancel and here one time root 3 left, root 3 and here 3, so one time root 3 cancel, here left root 3 and this root 3 multiplying upside, so root 3 into bracket 2x plus 2y plus 2 upon 3 and minus sign multiply. 3 minus 4xy minus 2x minus 2y minus 1. All becomes minus. Okay? And equal to tan inverse root 3c by 2. Now, from both the sides, first one, the root 3, here 2 common from the bracket. So, 2 root 3 x plus y plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 2 minus 4xy minus 2x minus 2y equal to tan inverse root 3c by 2. Okay? Now 2 common from the denominator. 2 root 3 x plus y plus 1 upon 2 common, so bracket 1 minus 2xy minus x minus y equal to tan inverse root 3c by 2. Now here 2 to cancel. What is your answer? आपको प्रूव क्या करना है इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. x प्लस वाई प्लस 1 इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस 2xy. कहीं पर भी रूट 3 नहीं है, तो टेक दिस रूट 3 अदर साइड. x प्लस वाई प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस 2xy माइनस x माइनस y इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट 3 tan inverse root 3c by 2. कहीं पर भी tan inverse नहीं है. तो now tell me one thing, कि this all data is constant or not? So this data equal to taking a. So x plus y plus 1 upon 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy equal to putting a, where a equal to 1 by root 3 tan inverse root 3c by 2. Now taking this bracket other side and answer is ready. X plus y plus 1 equal to a into 1 minus x minus y minus 2x. Okay? चलो ये था आपका नंबर 7. Next one is number 8. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0 and pi by 4. Okay, so we know that what is the use of this point to find the value of c, whose differential equation is given. Okay, so the differential equation is sin x cos y dx plus cos x sin y dy and equal to 0. Okay, so we need the solution first, and in our C type answer we will put this point and we will get the answer of C, and then we will put the value of C in our equation. The answer will be ready. So first one, dx term taking other side. Cos x sin y dy. Definitely this term other side becomes minus sin x cos y dx. चलो ये तो इजी हो गया. dy साइड y टर्म sin y upon cos y and cos x other side, तो sin x upon cos x and dx. Very easy. So sin y upon cos y dy minus sin x upon cos x dx. Sin y upon cos y, tan y. Minus tan x, tan y dy, sorry, minus tan x dx. Separation is ready. Now taking integration. Both these sides. Integration tan y dy minus integration tan x dx. Integration of tan log mod sec y minus log mod sec x, and plus putting here c, and this is the equation 1 because we know that we need the value of c. Okay, so putting x equal to 0 and y equal to pi by 4 in equation 1. Otherwise write कि this is a curve and curve passing through this point. Okay, so meaning is same. अब x equal to 0 and y equal to pi by 4. So here y, so log sec pi by 4 equal to minus log sec 0 plus c. Sec pi by 4, cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2, sec pi by 4 root 2, log root 2, sec 0 1, cos 0 1, so sec 0 is 1, and plus c, log root 2. Root 2 equal to, can we write 2 raised to 1 by 2, and log 1 is 0, and plus c, so c equal to 1 by 2 log 2. Okay, otherwise एक log root 2 ही रखो ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, log root 2 ही रखो. Okay, so putting the value of c in equation number 1. So log sec y minus log sec x and plus log root 2. Log and subtraction, so division, then log log cancel. Log sec y equal to log root 2 by sec x. Log log cancel. Sec y equal to root 2 by sec x. Sec x other side. Sec x into sec y equal to root 2. So this is the final answer of your sum. Okay, you can convert into cos also. Cos फॉर्म भी आप लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. चलो, तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Next, taking the number 9. Initial condition x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, and this is the equation. Okay, so for the arrangement we have the one point, and which is subject the dy by dx. So taking dx other side, 1 plus e raised to 2x dy equal to minus e raised to x 1 plus y square dx. So this sum is about 9.4 method. Separate the dy dx, then integration type dy side y. So this one is all x, this is x, so yeah, this is a y, so 1 plus y square this side and 1 plus e raised to 2x other side. Okay, so 1 upon 1 plus y square dy minus e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to 2x dx. Hello, separation is over. Taking integration both the sides. So, integration 1 upon 1 plus y square dy minus integration e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to 2x e raised to 2x dx. Problem is not left side. What is the process in the left side integration? So 1 upon 1 x square plus a square formula. But here क्या करोगे आप? तो here we have to first तो e raised to 2x का क्या करें? Upside e raised to x and downside e raised to 2x. This is 1 upon y square plus 1 dy minus integration e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to x whole square dx. E raised to x equal to t, तो e raised to x dx equal to dt. Okay. शॉर्ट सम में तो आप ये करना है, ठीक है, मेथड e raised to x dx 1 dt. अब 1 upon y square plus 1 dy minus integration e raised to x dx means 1 dt and 1 plus t square. Or 1 upon y square plus 1 1 by a tan inverse x by a means tan inverse y here minus tan inverse t and plus c. So tan inverse y minus tan inverse and value of t e raised to x and equation number 1. Now x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, putting in equation 1 or putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 in equation 1. So tan inverse y is 1 minus tan inverse x is 0, so any power 0 is 1 n plus c. Tan inverse 1 pi by 4 equal to minus pi by 4 and plus c. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 pi by 2, so value of c is pi by 2. Now putting the value of c in equation 1. So tan inverse y minus tan inverse e raised to x plus c, and c is pi by 2. Okay. Now taking this other side, tan inverse e raised to x plus tan inverse y and equal to pi by 2. हेलो रेडी, बस आगे कुछ पॉसिबल नहीं, हम ये सोल्व नहीं करना है हमें. दिस इज ए इक्वेशन tan इनवर्स प्लस tan इनवर्स इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2. दिस इज ए इक्वेशन. ओके, डन. Here is the answer of our differential equation, required equation of differential equation. Okay, चलो, तो this is the question number 9. Our next part taking the number 10. Hello, taking the question number 10. Y into e raised to x by y dx equal to x into e raised to x by y plus y square dy. Power is x by y. Homogeneous method, y by x or x by y type. So here power x by y, so definitely sum is about x by y. So making here dx by dy and this term other side. Okay. Dx by dy equal to x e raised to x by y plus y square upon y into e raised to x by y. Now separate dx by dy. Now first term upon all. So e raised to x by y cancel and only x by y plus y square upon all. Y square upon all. So here y upon e raised to x by y. ओके चलो आई थिंक आपको एक डाउट होगा कि भाई वाई हियर ओनली सिंगल वाई. मैंने आपको कई बार बोला है कि सिंगल टाइम एक्स एंड सिंगल टाइम वाई नहीं होना चाहिए. बट ऐसे कई सारे सम्स है कि वहां पर अगर सिंगल टाइम एक्स और सिंगल टाइम वाई है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप यहां पर आगे देखो बराबर कि क्या होगा. हाँ हमें एक्स बाई वाई देखना है तो टेकिंग एक्स बाई वाई इक्वल टू वी. बराबर टेकिंग एक्स बाई वाई equal to v. So x equal to vy. dx by dy. v plus y dv by dy. बराबर आपको पता है कि विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y तो dx by dy एयर प्रोडक्ट रूल. v as it is derivation of y with respect to y1 plus y as it is and v is dv by dy. So now putting all data in our term. So dx by dy is v plus y dv by dy equal to x by y is v plus y as it is and e raised to v. So v cancel. Y dv by dy equal to y upon e raised to v. Y dv by dy equal to y upon e raised to v. y कैंसल. ऐसे कई सारे समय कि अगर आप सिंगल टाइम x और सिंगल टाइम y है डेफिनेटली जो मेथड में पता चल गई कि x बाई y है तो यहां पर y रिमूव नहीं हुआ. सिंगल टाइम y तो कट हो गया. ओके तो dv बाई dy इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन e raised to v. e raised to v dv equal to dy. Taking both the sides, integration. So integration e raised to v dv and integration dy. E raised to v is e raised to v equal to y plus c and e raised to v means x by y and equal to y plus c. Okay, check करो तो initial condition is given or not. Okay, not given. Just find the answer only, including c. It means general solution. Okay, so this is the answer of our sum. Are ready? So in our lecture up to 10 over. Okay. It means now 11 to 18 and 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I think 5 illustrations. चलो इतना बाकी है. ठीक है तो it means we need 2 or 3 lectures. बराबर. Okay चलो तो now we will meet in our next lecture with the question number 11. Okay.